Myself, Dr. Kedar Gandla. I'm a fertility consultant located in Mumbai in the area of Dadar. I am presently the secretary of Indian Institute of Assisted Reproduction. When a patient comes of infertility, when they come to us, it is normally seen they are in a big hurry to conceive. It's like this that they wanted to have baby yesterday, for which they came to us today, and we tell them that you will have baby tomorrow. So there is a huge gap between the patient's expectations and what we are going to offer them. Now, on top of it, we have this extraordinary situation of COVID-19, during which there is a complete quarantine has happened. Now, patients who were taking treatment are cannot go and pursue their treatment, or those who had planned to take treatment are not being able to go and start the treatment. So what should they do? Simple advice to them is try to optimize your infertility treatment starting with yourself. So what are the hindrances in conception? There can be a major problems like maybe one of your organ is not working at all, or there is a infection in the organs which is not allowing the pregnancy to happen. Such patient anyway would require a little higher end treatment like IVF. But those who are a borderline patients, where the treatment is not happening because of maybe lifestyle related disorders, which can be easily corrected during this quarantine period of time. Now, what has been observed during the quarantine period? Initial phases, first 2-3 months, the couples have been very happy-go-lucky, staying at home, eating food, attending their offices from home, from morning 9 o'clock till 6, sometimes 8, 10 in the morning, evening, and that's to very, very long working hours. On top of it, there is no household help, so they are to do double duty. But at the same time, there is no long hour distance traveling, so that is saving a lot of time. Now, during this time, there is a high possibility of weight gain and stress being formed as the number of months will pass and they do not conceive. So the first important lesson is to boost your immunity. So the near and clear danger is the COVID-19, for which we have to be all take the universal precautions that I need not mention, but make sure you follow them correctly. Then secondly comes the weight management. Now, majority of my patients, when they come to me, I tell them, if I am going to do your treatment, what is your contribution to that? So it's a very difficult and little tricky situation. Tricky in the sense, for example, there is a patient of diabetes mellitus who comes to me for a treatment. I give him medicine, but the patient continues to eat sugar or high carbohydrate diet. The sugar will be not easily controlled. So if he wants to have a good control, he has to eat less carbohydrate and do exercise. So similarly, our infertility patients, my advice is to lose weight. Now, lose weight in this quarantine time, and this lazy mind which not been doing any kind of exercise in recent past is very, very difficult. And what you require is nothing but a huge motivation of mind. So right now what is happening? You are eating healthy homemade food. You just need to do one thing: eat less carbohydrate, eat less fried food, and try to eat less frequently. Try to avoid munching and try to avoid pouch potato, which means sitting in front of the our media world and doing nothing. Second, one can do exercise. Now, another problem, one cannot go outside, neither one can go to the terrace. So, I suggest you could join any one of the exercise online programs which will help you to lose weight. Well, let me tell you, doing exercise when you are trying to conceive is not at all contraindicated. If you lose 5 to 10% of weight, it will really help in your infertility treatment. As we know, excessive body weight can give rise to varieties of problems like polycystic ovarian disease, or in men, low sperm count or decreased fertilizing capacity of the sperm, which can be easily overcome by reducing weight. So my first advice is to lose weight and do an exercise on regular basis. This itself will improve your self-image and also the quality of your life. Stop avoiding or stop seeing all those things on the media which will increase stress in your life. Now, with this, what is going to happen? All those patients who were borderline and could have been easily conceivable, because of more physical intimacy between the couple, because of a lot of availability of time, and there is no traveling, so the tiredness is not around, the chances of conceptions are going to increase, which we are seeing together in our regular day-to-day practice. Those who have difficulty in or difficult situation in conception, at least they can come down to a level. As soon as the lockdown is over, the IVF treatment can be immediately started so that you will get a better success. So you will say, why are you saying so much about weight management? Weight management in the one side does affect the implantation rate and pregnancy rate. And second most important is the outcome of pregnancy, which has to be healthy and without any problems to the mother and child. So for which I request 5 to 10% weight loss. Second issue comes is of releasing of mental stress. Now this mental stress can be in the mind, body, behavior, or emotions. In mind, if it's there, it's a wrong thinking or a negative thinking, which can give rise to a varieties of syndromes. If it is happening in the body, it can give rise to chronic fatigue syndrome and tiredness. Behavioral problems could be loss of appetite or binge eating, and which can contribute to overweight. Or emotions, again, negative emotions, worrying too much about things which are not existing. How can one take care of this? So you know what time you have free time, during which you should take it as a me time rather than going on multiple media. One can start an exercise program, starting with some Surya Namaskar and some exercise program. As I told you, the exercise programs are available on the internet, or a daily exercise spot jogging can be done, and yoga therapy and meditation, which will help to reduce the stress considerably. Now, how this is going to help you in your treatment? As we know that infertility treatment is a little stressful treatment, and during this treatment, a lot of patients experience huge amount of stress because there is huge expectation from oneself. And if you are practicing this particular stress reducing behaviors, this will help you when you actually go in for a treatment to reduce the stress and expect a good outcome during IVF cycle. And you could go and try this treatment with much more confidence. Secondly, the doctors are available on the telemedicine. So does like a regular doctor. Infertility consultants are also available on telemedicine. One can counsel with them, or you can counsel with a new doctor or counsel with your old doctor and ask them how to proceed further. Or luckily, if you're pregnant, then during early pregnancy, which medication to be taken, which medication to be not taken, all these things can be controlled. Preconceptional counseling, that is the part of pregnancy management, that is before you become pregnant, also can be taken here by telemedicine. Say you are on one type of antihypertensive, which is not good in pregnancy. So you could communicate with your doctor on the telecommunication and then change the medicine before you try to conceive. So small little efforts from your side will give a huge success at later date at the end of COVID time. So what you will remember of COVID time is not the bad memories, but good memories of new journey or new beginning in your beautiful life. I wish you all the best and be blessed.